Get ready for 10 amazing shark facts! Number 1. Baby sharks. Sharks can have babies in one of two ways. The most common way is by producing pups, like most mammals. However, some species of sharks, such as the hammerhead, can also reproduce through a process called parthenogenesis, which means that a female can produce offspring without mating with a male. Scientists believe that this occurs due to a genetic mutation that causes the female shark to develop eggs that can be fertilized by the same or a different species of shark. It's kind of like a real-life version of Star Wars Clone Army. Do you think that's cool? Leave a comment below so I know what you think. Number 2. Whale shark. The largest shark in the world is the whale shark. It can grow up to 40 feet long and weigh over 20,000 pounds. That's bigger than a school bus. The whale shark is actually a filter feeder, meaning that it feeds on plankton and small fish. It swims with its mouth open, filtering out food as it goes. So, despite their massive size, they're not very dangerous to humans. In fact, they're quite graceful and beautiful creatures. I really wish I could swim with one of these. Number 3. Cookie cutter sharks. This shark is aptly named because it has a very particular diet. It only eats fish that are smaller than it, and it uses its sharp teeth to take neat little bites out of them, like someone biting into a cookie. These sharks are also known as waspfish because they have a venomous spine on their back that they can use to defend themselves against predators. The venom is very painful, but it's not usually fatal to humans. However, they don't really like to go after humans because we are bigger than them. Number 4. Goblin shark. This shark is definitely one of the ugliest creatures in the ocean. It has a long, slender body with a protruding lower jaw that looks like a pair of buck teeth. But don't let its appearance fool you. This shark is actually very fierce and aggressive. It has been known to attack seals, sea turtles, and even other sharks. It also has a very unique hunting technique. It basically waits until its prey gets close enough, then it uses its extendable jaws to grab them. Number 5. Tiger shark. This shark is definitely one of the most feared creatures in the ocean, and for good reason. It's responsible for a number of attacks on humans each year. Tiger sharks are also known for being very aggressive and powerful. They have been known to attack boats, and they will eat almost anything that enters their territory. They're also very intelligent creatures, and they're able to learn new things very quickly. For example, tiger sharks in certain areas have learned to associate the sound of a boat engine with food. So they often come to the surface when they hear these sounds in hopes of getting a handout from humans. Number 6. Hammerhead shark. This shark is named for its distinctive head, which is shaped like a hammer. This head shape gives the shark a very wide field of view, which helps it to find prey more easily. Hammerhead sharks are also able to generate electric fields around their bodies, which they use to detect prey. This is similar to how dolphins and other marine mammals use echolocation to find food. Hammerhead sharks also have special receptors on their heads that allow them to sense changes in water pressure. This helps them to find prey as well as avoid predators. Number 7. Great white shark. This is definitely the most famous shark in the world. It's been featured in countless movies and TV shows, but despite its fearsome reputation, great white sharks are actually very misunderstood creatures. They're not as aggressive or dangerous as they're made out to be. In fact, great white sharks are very graceful and beautiful creatures. They can grow up to 20 feet long and weigh over 2,000 pounds. But despite their size, they're actually quite nimble and agile. They're able to swim at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour, and they can jump up to 25 feet in the air. Great white sharks are true apex predators, but they play an important role in the ecosystem. They help to keep populations of other animals in check, and they also help to recycle nutrients in the ocean. Number 8. Basking shark. This is the second largest shark in the world. It can grow up to 33 feet long and weigh over 11,000 pounds. Despite their huge size, basking sharks are actually very slow-moving creatures. They prefer to swim at depths of up to 2,600 feet, where they feed on plankton and small fish. Basking sharks are also known for being very curious creatures. They're often seen swimming close to boats, and they've even been known to approach divers. Number 9. Thresher shark. This shark is named for its exceptionally long upper tail lobe, which can grow up to 14 feet long. This appendage is used for a variety of purposes, including attracting mates, defending against predators, and stunning prey. Thresher sharks are also known for their acrobatic abilities. They're often seen leaping out of the water, and they've even been known to ride the waves like surfers. These sharks are also very social creatures, and they often travel in groups. Number 10, sharks can't smile and breathe at the same time. This isn't just a fun fact. It's a serious life and death situation for sharks. They need to keep moving to pump water over their gills to breathe. If they stop, they literally suffocate. So, no smiling for them while they're swimming around. Isn't that wild? So there you have it. 10 amazing shark facts. Now, it's your turn to leave a comment below and tell me which fact was your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.